We want to take a minute and show you how to use the online calculator that we have included on our website. You will need your tax bill handy. You can either use the one that you received in the mail or go to the York County Tax Assessor's website and see the receipt online. Both will give you an appraised or taxable home value. This is the number that you will enter at the top of the calculator. When you press enter, it will give you the 4% assessed value, which will match the one on your bill. Borrowing $156 million for 2.5% interest in a 20-year bond would give us a projected millage rate increase of 26. Debt service at 26 mills will cost $113.97 annually, which is $9.04 a month. Remember that we are currently at a debt service rate of 19.4 mills. For this home value, that is a cost of $80.76 annually. When we combine the new millage rate with the current millage rate, we see a total debt service millage rate of 45.4 mills and a cost of $189 annually. This would cost the homeowner $15.75 per month for this piece of the tax bill. Our calculator was designed to estimate the tax impact for owner-occupied homes. The estimation given by the calculator that assumes Our calculator was designed to estimate the impact for This calculator was designed to estimate the tax impact for owner-occupied homes that are assessed at 4%. The estimation given by the calculator assumes that the tax base stays the same as it is now as when we will borrow the funds for the bond. It is based on a 2.5% interest rate for a 20-year loan. What you see here is only the debt service portion of the tax bill. Similar calculations can be done for other property types that are not assessed at 4%, such as cars, RVs, boats, and second homes.